Hi, welcome back. Remember this line that you learn, that you learn online? I'm going to convert all these lines. I pick some of the patterns of all these lines to create a picture out. Okay, so here we go to the next page. Okay, you can actually start on by drawing a box if you want to be like a scenery, like a frame. All these are lines. Creating a frame also is a line. See? Okay, first of all, I would like to draw from all straight lines. Remember the density line? That will be the roof. See that? And you have straight line down. This is a simple basic drawing. Just for you to learn to practice your lines. Okay? So, then the inverted line you can do for this. Remember the inverted line like this? Okay? So you can do for this. It's part of curve. That's a door. And then you can have the window. As you wish, you like to have two windows, you can put on two windows. Yeah. Or you can have one upstairs, a big one, if you want to. Some people, they have this kind of window for the light to shine in their house. Okay, so the next one, you can use a, okay, remember the potenti? Potenti, you can draw the chimney. See? Remember that one that I show you? This? So it's part of one of these. You can draw here. See that? Okay, and then I will draw the indented line, which looks like a fence behind the house. See, some people like to have fence behind the house. Ta-da! This is the word out. And you can actually draw the nebulae fence. It's like you imagine that you are looking closer to this picture. There's far and near, medium and far. So that's okay. Next, I'm going to draw the bush. So what lines you can draw the bush? So remember the inverted line again. See, you can draw. That's the bush. Okay, bush is high up. Okay, and then if you want to draw the mountain scenery, you can use the wavy line. See, the wavy line. Ta-da! You already have a picture. Okay, again, let's lay out what lines that I have used. The wavy line. Okay, this one is the inverted line. Alright, and this one is the indented line. Okay, this one is the nebulae line. Sorry about the handwriting. Okay, then yeah, you have lots of lines that you can create out from all the lines, as you can practice with the straight lines, with lines and boxes. Yeah, there are many lines that you can practice on. See? Right? Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.